This is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video is like a camera test slash 1 week or 2 week review of the OnePlus 10 Pro. I can't believe I've been having this phone for about 2 weeks now, I think. But just listen to baby girl. This is the cameras on the OnePlus 10 Pro. I'm shooting this in 4K at 60 frames per second. And what y'all think about it? How does that sound? How does everything look? And in this video, I just want to give y'all an update about it and my experiences with it. And do I like this phone or is it trash? And, you know, what y'all think about it too. I love having conversations in, you know, the comments below and definitely talking to everyone. But for me, I think this phone has been pretty damn good so far. But let's get into it. Now, is this phone perfect? No. Can the cameras be a little bit better? Yeah, they could be better. Are they perfect cameras? No. But it shoots in 8K. It can do 4K at 60. It can do anything else that the big boys can do. And look at this video. I mean, the video about what I'm seeing on the phone looks great. So yeah, I don't know, you know, what else you want from this. I think a lot of people will be happy with this phone. You know, could the speakers be a little bit better? Probably. Could it be not slippery? Yes, this phone is slippery as heck. I do love the back. I love the color on here. I love, like, it has that texture look on there, but this phone is definitely slippery. You need a case, even though I've been using it without one. But there's a couple times that the phone has slipped out of my hands. Lucky I was in carpet and it didn't really do anything to the phone. But the phone, the quality of the phone is good. It's just slippery as heck. The OS on here, you can tell that Oppo has more of their color OS influence on there. So some of the things are a little quirky and I don't know. I don't like how it clears the previous apps and it doesn't always clear correctly. So that's one of the quirks in there. And just the overall feel, it feels more Apple-ish than before. So hey, some people might like that though. It is running Android 12. It has 8 gigs of RAM. You can expand that. Watch a couple people's videos on that. It has 128 gigs of storage, which is good enough for me. So the complaints are very minor to the enjoyment I'm having with the phone. If you think about it, what makes this phone not as good as a Galaxy S22 Ultra or a Pixel 6 Pro? Like, what this phone doesn't do, it has the same features as those phones. And this phone actually charges a whole lot quicker than those two phones probably put together. So even if the battery doesn't last as long as, you know, you think it should last, it's still a great battery and you can charge this thing. I mean, it charges quick, y'all. Like Eric from Easy Computer Solutions says, you poop, shower, and brush your teeth. You do that and you probably have almost 100% battery life on this thing. It doesn't like the sun though, right there, but overall this phone is good, man. Again, there's not one perfect cell phone. So is it perfect? No. For $899, yeah. Name a better phone. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all have a better phone for $899? You can check out my 8K video and it looks good. You can check other people's videos and the 4K looks good. The pictures come out good. The portrait mode is on here. It has a lot of features too as far as the cameras go. So yeah, even watching TV, the screen, that's another thing. Quad HD screen, it's beautiful. It's a great panel too. So OnePlus has always had some great panels and this is no difference. It's no different, y'all. Like, I mean, I know people sleeping on this phone. It's like I'm watching LG and HTC all over again. Like, I don't know if it's America or the country, but it seems like if it's not Samsung or Apple, and nobody wants it. you know, at least in America. I know in China and these other countries, people like Xiaomi and Oppo and all these other manufacturers. But here in the U.S., if it's not Samsung and Apple, then, you know, it's hard to get in there and get a market going for it. But people are missing out, you know. Don't just listen to one person's opinion. Like, don't even listen to all mine. Watch other people's videos, see what they think about it. Do your homework on it. But overall, you can't. I mean, for $8.99, I'm happy I paid $8.99 for the phone. Could they get away with $7.99? Yes. We always say that we want the phone cheaper, but I don't think you can actually get it any cheaper than what you have it. I mean, this quality here. Now, some people want to complain about the 256 gigs and only having 128. Sidewine, and that phone's coming out. The only other complaint I have about the phone is not about the phone. It's how OnePlus did the rollout. The rollout has to be one of the worst things about this whole experience. They came out in China, and then they came out in the US a couple months later. Now they might even roll out a different, like the bigger phone, the 256 with like 12 gigs of RAM. Just come out with the one phone at the one time. Like, give us all the options. Like, don't do this rollout stuff, because that hurts the momentum of the phone too. But if you had the phone, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. If you're thinking about getting it, let me know. If you hate the phone and you don't even have it, let me know, because I would love that opinion. I want to have a conversation with someone that don't like the phone but don't even have it. So let's have a friendly discussion. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 10 Pro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace.